Welcome, awesome people. 2024 shook up the online business world. Forget old school tactics, it's all about conscious consumers now. They want brands with values. For AI, it's not just a buzzword anymore, it's your secret weapon for personalization that'll skyrocket your sales. We're talking laser-focused targeting and customer experiences so good, they'll think you're a mind reader. And guess what? Authentic creators are king. Micro-influencers are crushing it, building loyal communities that trust their every word. But hold up, data privacy is huge. Cookies are crumbling, so get ready to build trust and collect data the right way. So in 2025, it's about sustainability, community, and keeping it real. Think eco-friendly, think human connection, think long-term relationships with your customers. The future of online business is here, and it's ethical, it's personal, and it's all about genuine value. So, ditch the spammy tactics, embrace the change, and get ready to dominate in 2025. Smash that like button and subscribe for more insider tips. Thank you, and see you in the next video.